When days get really stressful, we sometimes throw together a trip to Table Rock Lake, which is our retreat from all the hustle and bustle of what's going around us. In this particular cove area of Table Rock Lake is where we stay a lot. You'll see in this video or drone flyover the lodge that we stay in. This area right here is where we do a lot of bass fishing, but I haven't caught a bass in that area, so I don't know if I'll go to that cove too much. I know when you see the dock here, is we've caught a few fish off that. This is the lodge area that we stay at. They have cabins surrounding the lodge, but we are in this lodge. Love to go there in the summertime. They have a pool. Here's the fishing dock associated with the lodge. And every time I'm on the fishing dock, I look over to the other side and I see this resort area. And so I decided to fly over and look at it in a little bit more detail. This time when we were out there, you don't hear the sound, unfortunately, with the drones, but the cicada was out in the early summertime, and it was pretty loud, almost deafening. I think in 2024 they said that there were several different types of cicada that came forward. I guess some of them come forward every different cycles, but this all converged, and boy, it was a loud noise. In a way, for me, it was kind of comforting. I don't know. I just enjoyed the noise of cicada because it reminds me of being down in the Ozarks. What's nice about this area, Table Rock Lake, it is nestled in the Ozarks that are in Missouri. Of course, if you go down in Arkansas, they're just beautiful, pretty high mountains and nice valleys and rivers and cliffs and ridges. We've hired a fishing guide at one time, and he took us out to a different part of Table Rock Lake, and we caught a lot of bass. And he told me about a little spot here. I'm not going to show it to you because it's my fishing hotspot, but I've gone there and fished with night crawlers. I tried other things, and I've gone down fairly deep with the night crawlers, and I've caught a lot of fish. Here's that resort I keep looking at when I'm at the fishing dock. Now, what's neat about this lodge is it's very close. Right behind the hill, behind the lodge, is Silver Dollar City. And when you wake up or go out on the lake, you can hear at a certain time the roller coaster's going. And on the cove to the left of this lodge, if you go up it, you will see the roller coasters of Silver Dollar City. But it's kind of interesting to have a place with so much hustle and bustle and crowds and then come out to a nice quiet area, especially in the evening. We've kayaked several times across the cove to little finger coves and went up the streams. Right there where that is, we've caught some bass. Right along this shoreline, we've caught a number of bass, a lot of rocks in that area. But anyways, this is a fun time, and I'm just going to stop talking and let you enjoy the sight and the music that goes with us.